At Dream Factory, we help B2B companies turn marketing into a real driver of business growth, and that starts with experience. For over 20 years, Dream Factory is focused on B2B marketing, which means we understand the longer sales cycles, technical buyers, multiple decision makers, and higher pressure on ROI that come with B2B markets. That experience matters because marketing is not just about doing more. It is about knowing what works, what does not, and what problems are likely to appear before they slow growth. When you work with an agency that has seen many business scenarios, market challenges, and campaign obstacles, you gain speed. You avoid costly trial and error. You make better decisions earlier, and that helps generate ROI faster.
The risk of choosing a less experienced agency is that they may look capable on the surface, but once the work starts, the gaps show up. The messaging is too generic, the targeting is off, the leads are weaker, and the strategy is not aligned with how business-to-business buyers actually make decisions. That usually means wasted time, wasted budget, and lost opportunities. Instead of accelerating growth, marketing becomes a series of experiments your business is paying for. At Dream Factory, we bring strategic direction shaped by years of business-to-business only experience. We know how to align channels, messaging, content, automation, video, ABM, and go-to-market planning into a system that supports real business goals.
That is the value of working with a team that already understands the landscape. We know many of the common problems, we know how to avoid them, and we know how to move faster toward measurable results. If you are looking for a B2B marketing partner with proven experience, strategic clarity, and a focus on long-term growth, Dream Factory is ready to help. Explore our services and contact our team to build a smarter marketing strategy for your business.